Dying of thirst in Athens. I knew we should have picked Poseidon over Athena. One of my followers? He's dying of thirst. I guess I should help him. There, that's better. Here you are.
Thank you, Poseidon. You're a really great guy for doing this. Yum, made out of the sea without the salt.
My name's Poseidon, and I approve this message.